So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer Options. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're going to click on the View tab. Now once you're on this, you're going to scroll down till we find Hide Extensions for Known File Types. You want to untick this. Make sure that you untick Hide Extensions for Known File Types. You want to untick this box and then click on OK. And now for the next step, you're going to head over to search and type in File Explorer. Click on it. And then once you're on this, on the left hand side, you're going to scroll down and then click on this PC. Now you want to find the drive that has Windows installed on it. It's going to have the Windows logo on it. Double click on it. And then click on Windows. Now we're going to find a folder called Microsoft.net. We're going to scroll down till we find Microsoft.net. Double click on this. And now you want to click on Framework 64. And you should now be having a folder called V and then some numbers. Double click on this folder. And now you're going to click on Config. And now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down till we find machine.config.default. Make sure that it says .default at the end. You want to drag this to your desktop. And then click on Continue. So you're going to move this into your desktop. Now once you move this into your desktop, we're now going to delete machine.config. Delete this file. Continue. And now that file should be deleted and we should now be having machine.config.default on our desktop. And now for the next step, we're going to right click on this machine.config.default on our desktop. You want to right click on it and then click on Show More Options and then click on Rename. You want to delete the end where it says .default. Delete all of this, so .default, and make sure that it only says machine.config and then click on Enter. And then click on Yes. And now once you have this, you want to drag this file into this folder now. Drag it into the folder and then continue. And now after you've done that, the problem should now be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, then you just want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.